We have to follow the rules.
So you can't, there's no outbursts, there's no none of that, right? You understand?
We're having an outburst because if the rules are being violated.
If it's disrupted, you'll end up being escorted out,
That makes sense.
probably trespassed, and possibly arrested. And I don't want to see any of that happen.
Right.
Correct?
You know who should be arrested? These guys, because they're violating the rules.
We're going down the wrong path. Let's go back to where we agreed. So it's wherever you wind up here, and it's not my call. This isn't my degree. You sit there and you observe, right? I don't want to see anything bad happen. That's all. That's all I'm saying. You have a wig in your hand, so I was concerned
We
about.
came here because there's a lot of people who want.
He was getting racist threats.
Racist
Well, you're
threats.
safe.
People call me a nigger.
Fortunately, you're safe.
That's what happened.
Because we're not going to let anything bad happen.
Right. So we have to be extra careful.
At the last debate in Boston, he was getting racist threats.
People called us a
I
white
don't
supremacist.
watch the Boston News, so we're good.
Well, that's what happened.
All right. Well, you're in safe Springfield.
Right. So we have to.
Welcome to Springfield.
Thank you. Well, we appreciate that, but people should follow the laws.
All right. So
They make the laws, they break the laws. You know, one rule for them, another rule for us.
Can you just come in here for a second? Here's the list. I'm back. Yes, sir.
I was already let in. I'm just waiting. I'm waiting for it.
You can't have two sets of yardsticks.
They're on the lead.
One rule's for everyone. Charlie Baker's son can't molest a woman and never get a mugshot and not get arrested, and everyone else does.
It's dirty
Is that
politics,
right?
man.
Charlie Baker's son gets away with it. Dirty Deal says he's a chairperson when he isn't. Gets away with it. No, I'm just talking to him.
You're gonna find a way around this.
Are all our people freezing still out there?
Yep.
That's ridiculous.
They
I mean, we came all the way from Cambridge.
Twice to get the tickets on
First
Monday,
to get
too.
the tickets, my 85-year-old father came here, and then we came here. This is how they treat us? Because they're so afraid.
It was first come, first served to get the
So
tickets,
afraid
and
of the
we
black
came and got
Indians?
tickets.
They have people on the list that they let in.
And they call you guys racist, Elizabeth Warren, and they send you out to protect. I mean, come on, it's ridiculous. They use all of us. They don't represent this Commonwealth. All these people so scared about us. They're going to get 20 of you guys against us when we're both on the same side. Unbelievable. We know what's going on. You're not following the rules. You have to come in disguises to get in because of threats.
Nobody's coming in.
So afraid of Shiva Ayyadurai, aren't you?
Until we get this
That'll
straightened out.
expose you.
Door staying shut.
Petrified.
You want your little clique, your little sorority. I'm talking to him. He's smart. You should see the smarts he's making.
So the venue
Tell him to get
holds 80,
He's making all
but
sorts
they're
of
only
decisions.
letting in 40 people total. When the venue holds 80, I don't understand. People have a ticket.
Because they're afraid of the open, free speech process.
Yeah.
Keep it to Warren and Dirty Deal. This is not democracy. These debates were set up as educational forums for everyone. This country was built on debate.
I don't even know if half of those people had a ticket that got in. They didn't.
I mean, remember the
You
remember the
guys with you
Constitution?
or no?
I think we're at capacity. I don't want to.
Tony,
They're at capacity.
are these guys with you?
You're at capacity?
Are these guys with you?
I'm in already.
I'm with. I was with.
You can't let any more people in. You said under 50. What's your name?
Thank God. Okay. You guys, that's the overflow. That's all I can say.
They went in and took a head count.
Can you go take a picture in there, Cheyenne? Send us a picture of what the head count is. Is that dirty Holly Robichaud, the Saudi lobbyist?
He was in the overflow room and went to the bathroom and is now trying to get in.
No, he has a ticket. Oh, what are you? You're not the police. You don't run this event. It's not your event.
Yeah.
These people are Warren and Deal people. Look at them working together. Warren and Deal people working together.
Step back there. Step back there, please.
He was let in.
Step back. You were sent in the overflow.
No, he wasn't. He was let in.
You were sent in. Step back, please. Step back to the doorway, please. Step back. Come on.
Why are you
Let's go.
touching me?
Come on, because you're not walking.
Guys.
He was allowed in.
Just do this.
The last governor's race had like 5 people on the debate stage. There's only 2 people. There's 3 people on the ballot. This is ridiculous.
We have nothing to do with it.
I know. I'm sorry. I don't mean to yell at you. I'm sorry.
Brought here to.
I apologize for yelling.
No, but it's not their event.
I don't know
It's the people
capacity.
that
They
they're a
make their own
public
rules.
organization.
There was 80 tickets.
That woman is a Saudi lobbyist.
I was in
That
and I
scumbag
came
of a
back
woman.
out.
People ask
She
me
screwed
what door
over
I want.
veterans. And look at Warren and Deal colluding together right there. Richard, get that picture right there. There they go. That's right. Move.
How you doing, Roger?
Move, Holly. You got $400,000 from donations, didn't you? You scumbag.
You still in touch with your gang-banging brothers, Roger?
Guys, come on. So
No, these guys are complete
go
scumbags.
into
They're not
the
even
overflow room.
Americans.
You're in. I mean, that's all I can tell you. This isn't our event.
No, we're allowed to be in there. That's right, Roger.
Well, you
laugh.
are in.
Look at them both
There.
working together. Deal and Warren. Controlled opposition right there. Unbelievable. Yeah, you think this is funny, Roger? You ever fought for anything in your life? You ever worked?
You're gonna die of lung cancer, Roger.
He said he's a big gangster. Look at them laughing together. That's what we want to see. Collusion right there. Yeah, Roger, you think it's funny?
This was all set up.
Total setup. You
You
scumbag.
guys aren't at capacity.
It's not our call.
I was already in.
This is a taxpayer-funded building.
This is
So you let me in,
WWG.
and then you say I can't go in. I was already in.
You're
You
in.
said under 50.
You're
Go
in.
check capacity. Watch
That's
look at
part
the
of
TV.
being in.
Check it
Right
yourself.
there. That's the
You
overflow
seen
room.
him look at my ticket. He said, "You're
I'm
all
not here to
set."
debate.
I walked in, and then I came here because there's no reason why he can't go in.
You can talk, you can complain, you can do whatever you have to do. This isn't my building, it's not my.
No, but what jurisdiction do you guys have for this? No, seriously.
You're standing in the city of Springfield.
Right, but
They
this is
have
a
us here to
WGBH
help
is a
them.
non-profit.
They're at
We all
capacity.
pay for it.
So
They're not
because
at
they're at
capacity.
capacity, this is it.
Officer,
However,
your job
you
is the
are
executive
in,
branch of the government to
and
enforce
you
the
can
laws,
sit in
right?
the overflow.
He's making up
You're in.
rules. You don't have to enforce his role. You have to enforce the law.
They're at capacity. That's all I can say.
But officer,
Based on what he.
wait a minute. There's a
He's
law,
a
right?
liar.
He's making up
Did you ever
laws.
think that maybe he's full of shit?
You should point that way and enforce the law for us on behalf of us, not them.
Yeah.
This is all I can say.
You should
is
be
you're
here
welcome
to-
sit in the overflow room.
But
That's what
what
the-
thing?
Here to
We
protect
legitimately got
us, protect
tickets.
our rights, and we don't
We
feel-
got the tickets.
You are.
He's making up rules.
Get your money back, I guess. I don't know.
Well, you know, for people to go in the middle of the day, 15 people to go and get these tickets, it's more than money, it's time.
You guys let in like 20 people.
They
I don't
holds
know
80.
who any of them
Press
are.
everybody else did.
You guys let in like 20 people.
This is not democracy. This is not.
Why is there a list you guys are checking that you're not allowing people in? Why is there like a flagged list of people that are not allowed in?
Yeah, I've seen the list.
It's called a blacklist.
Are you asking me?
Yeah, the
Anybody.
Soviet-
I've never seen. I
The
don't.
Soviet Union.
There was a flag. There was a list they were checking people's IDs on.
Not the United States government. We're not supposed to do stuff like that. We're not a fascist state.
I can't go see my senator do a debate because I'm
And we got
flagged.
the tickets, and we came here legitimately.
You can sit right in there.
No,
That's
we
the
have the
overflow.
tickets for there. That's what we got. He said under 50. You
They
heard?
set up an overflow room.
No, but
for
did he
just
say
this
under
reason.
50?
The overflow room. Come on, we know this was just made up
50,
while you
right?
guys were waiting to let us in.
You said under 50. And then we produced a ticket under 50. We
Yeah.
don't get to
That
go
was
in.
the delay. That
I'm
was the delay of
42.
opening the doors was setting up
I
this
was
room.
all
That was
set
your
to go
solution
in.
to this.
Why is he not?
That's not fair.
He's under 40. He's under 50.
I have 38.
Exactly. This guy's full of
I don't know what
shit.
those tickets mean.
People are
They're
full
not
of
my
shit.
tickets.
I'm under 50. I was in.
No, but he said
I
under
was
officer,
in and I
officer,
came back
you
out.
seem like a good man. He said under 50, didn't he? Did he not say under
I'm
50?
But I
42.
guess more people showed up for staff, I guess. I don't know. That's what he said. He said
Do you want to go in there and see if it's full? Can you check for us?
You can look right here, Mr. Shiva. The TV's on, all the people in there. You can look for yourself.
Yeah, they went and snuck everyone in there then.
What's that?
Do they have tickets? Do all those people have tickets?
Well, 99% are all press people from the Globe and everything else, and so they count as a head count. Not,
There was supposed to be 55 tickets
There's
open to the
there's
general public.
listed in the Republican, which is a sponsor, 55 tickets open for the public. Not press. The seat fits 75 people. 20 for
I
press,
believe you,
55 for
but
the
we
public.
don't enforce whatever.
Yeah, but what laws are you
seating
guys
stuff.
enforcing? Their laws? You're just making up laws.
Okay, gentlemen, here's the deal. There's nobody else is going to sit in that room that's at capacity. That's where we're at. Nobody will be going past us to get into that room because it's at
But
capacity.
they're making up rules here, officer.
Regardless of that. Right now,
Oh,
that room
wait,
is
wait, wait,
full.
what do you mean
Capacity-
regardless?
Capacity is full.
Can you take a photo for us?
Huh?
Can you take a photo of the room?
Absolutely not. The room is full. Capacity, according to the venue, is full. That is it. You have one of two choices at this point right now. You can either maintain
We have
presence.
people who came from out of state here.
I understand
And we
that
got
you-
tickets for that.
We're not going to debate whether or not you're going to get passes to get it in that room. That room
There's
is
nothing
full.
to debate about
That's
that, because
over.
we have every right to be
It's
there.
at capacity. So you can either sit in the overflow or you can.
Can we get the fire marshal to declare that it's over capacity? Where's the fire marshal?
Okay, we have to open
So
up
that's
this hall,
it. So one of two things will
Go
happen.
in
You will
or
either
go
sit
out.
in the overflow or you will exit the premises. That's it.
For what use? What's the
we
law?
have to open up this.
No. What's the law here that we're breaking? We're not breaking any laws here.
You're not going to just stand here.
No, but what's the law?
During a function, there's a process for this function.
And we
You're
have
either
every
those
right
who
to
are
be
in there, which you are not
We
going
have
to
every
do,
right to be here.
or you're going to
officer.
sit in this room that's
There's
been
no
provided
Wait,
for
wait,
you.
wait. We have every. This is
So,
a
you've been-
WGBH event.
you've been provided-
It's a federal
And
event.
WGBI
You have seats.
has provided you
No,
the
those
opportunity
are
to
not
sit
the seats
in
that
the
these
seat.
were for. Those are not the seats. These are made up seats. Move those people in there. We have the right to go in there.
You
we
will
have
not,
seats
you
up
will
until
not be
38.
attending in that room.
Why is that?
Because
Because
No. But who? But
So
are
you
they not
have
following
seats
the
here?
rules?
that's it.
So we don't follow
So-
rules anymore in this country.
Okay,
it's first
the reality
come,
of it
first
is this.
served. They're in the
If we want to
seats.
sit
The
down and
reality is
discuss
that they created that
it,
reality.
if we can have
No,
first
they
discussion-
cut us in line. We were in line.
That's fine. For
They
the next
cut
hour
us.
and a half, we can have this
We were the
discussion.
first on the line.
You're not coming in.
You need to enforce the laws, not what they make up, officer.
What their capacity
support
is
you.
for a public event. And when they're the host, this is their venue, they've said that seating capacity is full. Nobody is going in that room right now. It is done. No, not one single person will enter that room right now for the purposes of witnessing that debate. So you now have two options. You can either sit in the overflow room and be present and be part of the process while you're here, or you can be asked to leave. But we will not stand here in this corridor.
But who do you
This
enforce
is
this?
I
You don't know
am the
WGBH.
lieutenant running this event. This is the main point of
I
ingress
thought
and
he
egress.
said that guy was running this
The
event.
main point of ingress and egress you are now blocking. You are creating a public hazard.
So you're saying
We got to keep the hobby
So,
fair.
so
go
we're
in
either
the
in
room.
here or we're not.
You
You're
guys
either in
think
this
about
room or you're out of the building. But you will not be attending that event. None of you will. That's it.
for what reason?
Capacity.
Capacity.
Who's saying it's full?
Who's saying it's
How
full?
do you know it's full?
Seats are
Organizers
full.
said it's
They're
full.
saying it's a
Okay,
capacity.
but
That's
we
it.
have tickets.
Okay.
Well,
And
this
he
is
said,
I don't know what I don't
He
know.
heard
what
him
they-
say
more tickets than they have
when we
seats.
first came in here, you said he was the one who's managing this.
No, because they ran out of tickets.
His
When we,
event. He ran out of seats.
So you work for them?
He should.
They overprinted the tickets.
no, they didn't.
Right.
And
So
so now,
So he said they're full. So
The
if they're
tickets
full,
are
they're full.
let me call my attorney up, okay?
okay, go ahead.
Let me call my
But
attorney.
why don't you do it
Richard,
from the overflow room?
I'm
and
stand
not
right here. I'm
down
not blocking anyone. Richard,
This
can you
has
give me
to
the
be
phone?
on. So go in
Can I
there.
give me the phone?